The Samsung Captivate Glide strikes a perfect balance between work and fun, with power, speed, and the flexibility of an on-screen or slide-out keyboard. In addition to a full touchscreen display, a full sliding QWERTY keyboard lets you write longer emails and edit documents while on the go. 4G speed means you wait less to do more. Load web pages faster and download apps in a flash. A powerful dual-core processor offers enhanced multitasking, letting you switch between open programs as smoothly as you would on a computer. And the Android platform is endlessly customizable, with over 250,000 apps and games available from Android Market. Dual cameras let you chat face-to-face with friends and family, while HD recording means your videos include every last detail. With Samsung Social Hub, you can update your status, consolidate text messages, emails, and contacts all in one place. Work, play, and stay social with the Captivate Glide, the phone that has the power and speed to keep everything in balance.